It's piano time!
Lessons with Lolly. Finger numbers. Gathered in a sunlit clearing in the middle of Rainbowville, Lolly and Peggy were once again joined by their eager students. Melody Monkey, Sammy Squirrel, and Reed the Raccoon. As the golden sunlight filtered through the leaves, Lolly and Peggy couldn't wait to also share the message of God's love with their students. Today, my friends, we'll learn about our right and left hands as well as using our 5 fingers on the piano. Each finger on each hand is like a special fret, and together they create a beautiful melody, Lolly explained, perched on top of Peggy. In order to know when to use each finger, we're going to give each one a number, just like each of you have your own name. Did you know that Jesus loves every one of you? He knows each of your names and wants to be your friend. Peggy Piano continued the lesson. Lolly and I have asked someone very special to come help us today. The young animals waited eagerly to find out who their guest would be. Peggy kept talking. Lolly has asked his piano teacher to come join us today since she's the one who taught him everything he knows about music. Just then,